Hi squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for watching my video and watch it to the end. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share guys, share the information, share the knowledge, and let's grow together. So today I'm gonna be preparing some turkey neck, and I'm gonna make this turkey neck look like oxtail. You know them say turkey neck is ghetto oxtail. All right, so I'm gonna show you just how to prepare your turkey neck that it have that look and that well, it doesn't have the exact taste, but it's delicious in its own right as turkey neck, but it looks like oxtail when it's plated, right? So come along with me on this journey as I prepare this for you. And with this, I'm not using Irish potatoes as I would normally do. I am using sweet potato. And can I tell you that the sweet potato give this stew such a thickness and such a richness and such a flavor to this turkey neck. It was so lovely, so lovely. The taste was delicious. The sauce, the gravy, everything just came together well, and I'm gonna just show you how to do that now. So remember guys, hit that subscribe button, like and share and follow, and go ahead follow my social media pages, Instagram and the Facebook, that is Chef Nykz Recipes, and you will see the information for that at the end of the video as well. So go ahead guys, enjoy, and let's dive right into cooking this brown stew turkey neck. You know how to make turkey neck feel like oxtail. So guys, today we're gonna be making some brown stew turkey neck, and I really love this turkey neck that I got. It's really nice. And here is the powdered seasoning that we're gonna be using. To the powder seasoning, I added some ginger, some garlic, and some scotch bonnet. For powder seasoning, I had some jerk seasoning, some seasoned to the bone, no salt guys, absolutely no salt. So it was jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and seasoned to the bone, as well as some crushed pepper seed. And I've gone ahead and I've rubbed that into the meat guys, and I'm now going to go ahead and add my fresh seasonings to this. I put in my onion, my scallion, my sweet pepper. We're gonna add some tomatoes into this as well and allow it to marinate overnight. Some onions, the sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and we're gonna go ahead and just rub that into our meat guys. You could also go ahead and blend up your green seasoning for this as well, but I kind of like this method. I like the green seasoning method when I'm doing a lot of meat and like when I'm doing catering, but like for home use, yeah, this is quicker and easier for me, and it's absolutely delicious anyway. So we're just gonna go ahead, rub that in, and allow it to marinate. And as always with any Jamaican dish, you'll see the scotch bonnet pepper in there. Yeah, maximum amount of flavor without a lot of heat. Now go ahead and allow this to marinate for at least 30 minutes to actually overnight. Alright, so guys, the burnt sugar, that's what it looks like. It's not brownie, but sugar in hot oil. Alright, and I've added my turkey neck. Guys, look at the beauty of this. Just look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna cover this now guys. Well, I'm not gonna cover it as yet. I'm gonna let it sit here a little bit. I'm turning my stove to medium high, not full high. I'm just gonna allow my turkey neck to sit, and then I'm gonna stir. Once I stir up everything, Then I'm gonna go ahead and have it covered and allow it to generate its own set of juices. This is what's left for the seasoning. I'm gonna add more sweet pepper to this closer to the end, and I'll also test to see if it would like more pepper. I think the pepper should be good. Alright, so this is what I mean when I say generate its own juices. All I did was to cover it, and the heat that was trapped in there, you know, generated the steam and it generated its own juices. And what you find with this is that you get a much thicker and richer gravy and a much tastier gravy, as well as that seasoning actually boils out in it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some hot water to this, and I'm gonna continue adding hot water until it is that the meat starts to get tender, but I'm not gonna be putting too much at a time, right? Because I don't want a lot of water in there, because I want this to be really rich and really thick. Alright, so what I did differently with this turkey neck is, instead of using Irish potatoes, I used the sweet potatoes, and that gave it this nice rich flavor, and also it contributed to overall flavor and texture of the meat as well. So you can try that, guys. So what I've done is to go ahead and I've served this with some pumpkin rice. And guys, let me know if you'd like the pumpkin rice recipe, and I'll go ahead and share that with you. Some fried plantains, some steamed cabbage and carrots, roughly steamed, you know, not too steamed out, and also some lettuce, no, not lettuce guys, tomato and some cucumber, right? And as you can see, look at that gravy, just how thick and how rich that is. And all I did was that closer to the end of this, where I was showing you guys the sweet potato and the carrots, is was add a little bit of ketchup and some more sugar to it. I tasted my meat continuously to ensure that the flavor profile that I was looking for, that's what I got. And that's what you really got to do, guys, when you're cooking. You have to kind of taste the food, gauge it, so that you get that correct flavor.